I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why?
Hi, welcome to my vlog. Before that, I will introduce myself. My name is Lihuri Aini. I am a student at Padang State University. Today, I will review a beauty product from Korea. So let's have a look at the review. Your skin is still dull, even though you have used various types of skincare. Now, there's no need to worry because Nature Aloe Vera is here to solve your skin problems. Nature Aloe Vera 92% Soothing Gel is a product of a famous skincare brand from South Korea. The texture of the gel is thick and the color of the gel is clear green. This product contains extract from aloe vera leaf, alcohol, and spearmint extract. It can easily be found in many online shops with a price around 100 rupiah in Indonesia until 150 rupiah in Indonesia. The initial package of the product is round bowl made of thick plastic with tie cap on top of it. The color of the package is green and there are two large round stickers containing the name of the product and also the elements or ingredients of the product on the cap and on the bottom of the package. The initial package contains 300 ml of the aloe vera gel. Currently, this product is available in the form in tube, which contains 250 ml of the gel. This product is good for our skin. It can help us to nourish our skin so we can have beautiful, glowing, and healthy skin. The price may seem expensive, but as we only need to take small amount of it when we use it, it is going to be worth it. Users with sensitive skin may want to be careful in using the product because it contains alcohol.